Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage and gathering tools so you can work efficiently. First, determine if the frame is pure titanium or a beta alloy because the metallurgy changes soldering temperature and filler choice. Once done, remove lenses and pads and clean the area with 90% isopropyl to remove oils. This improves adhesion and heat transfer. Make sure to clamp the frame gently to prevent deformation, and position work under a 10x loop so you see hairline cracks clearly before proceeding. You now stabilize the broken area and prepare to join it. First, align the pieces precisely using a soft brass or graphite clamp so surfaces meet flush. This prevents gaps that weaken the repair. Then apply flux appropriate for titanium and a 0.5 mm titanium-compatible filler rod or silver solder if alloy permits. This adds strength and resists corrosion. Heat slowly and evenly. Rapid temperature swings induce stress. Once the filler flows, hold alignment until the joint solidifies to keep geometry true. You finish by refining the joint and validating fit so the glasses are serviceable and comfortable. Start with micro files to remove excess filler. Progress through 400 to 2000 grit for a smooth blend, then polish with compound to match frame finish. This restores appearance and removes stress razors. Next, reassemble and test hinge movement and fit. If alignment is off, carefully heat set to tweak shape. If the joint shows new cracks, re-clean. Switch to a higher grade filler, or replace the temple as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.